Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can open or create a new library in Adobe Bridge on desktop computer in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Open up Adobe Bridge on your Windows 10, Windows 11 computer or laptop. And what you need to do, guys, is navigate to the Libraries tab here to the right. If you don't see it, it may be that it hasn't been enabled or added from or to your workspace. So to do that, navigate the window here and make sure that Libraries is enabled with that checkbox. So here to the right, navigate to the Libraries tab. And what you want to do is click into Create New Library, give it a name, like for example, my example library. And then what you want to do is click into Create here. And you will see the library. So you may insert assets, styles, folders, files, and so on and so forth from your device. And if you click into the drop-down menu here, you may be redirected to, or you will be redirected, sorry, to your list of libraries. So you may navigate between them. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.